Hey guys, so it's Keoshia and I'm back for another video. If you like my videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you turn that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos from me. Without further ado, let's just get into today's video. Okay, you guys, as you can tell from the title of today's video, I am going over my Sunday routine video for you guys. My morning routine, my 5 a.m. real-time morning routine was really popular, so I decided to do my Sunday routine for you guys because everybody is always questioning what I do on Sundays, especially when I post videos about, you know, what I wear during the week, how I meal prep and stuff like that. So I wanted to show you guys what I usually do on Sundays to prepare for the week. Now this video will not be like an all-day video because I do not prepare for the week all day. It doesn't take me all day to prepare for the week. So this video is starting probably about 3 o'clock-ish on a Sunday. And so I'm just going to run down for you guys some of the things that I'm going to be doing in the video. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to finish our laundry. On Sundays I do laundry. I have 1 to 2 more loads to do. So far I have already done all of my clothes that I wear, and I need to fold them and put them up. I need to wash both sets of my bed sheets because I haven't washed in a while. Am I not the only one who hates washing and putting up clothes? So sometimes it does take me a while to finish my laundry and to get to my laundry. So today I need to strip my whole bed and wash everything on my bed and wash both sets of my sheets in my room. And then the second thing I need to do is I need to meal prep. If you guys don't know, I do meal prep my lunches for work on a Sunday. I do cook all of my lunch for Sunday and I package them up into my little packages or my little boxes or lunch boxes, whatever you want to call them, for the week. So in the morning when I leave for work, the only thing I have to do is grab my lunch box out of the refrigerator or my lunch thingy, whatever it is, and I take that to lunch. I also make a breakfast in the morning, but I do not meal prep that. And I usually make it at work. If you look at any of my day in the life vlogs or anything like that, you see me making breakfast at work and eating it there. So I do not meal prep that. And I also have a full meal prep video that I posted, I think already. I don't know what day it was, but I will link it above. All the videos I'm talking about, I will link it if there's a video to it. Meal prep. And then the last thing that I like to do is go ahead and pick out my outfits for the week. Because it just makes it so much easier to get dressed in the morning. If you guys are new here, I did start a capsule wardrobe this past fall of 19 and winter of 20. So I do have a full capsule wardrobe for my fall and winter, and there's only like maybe 50 to 60 pieces that I wear during that whole season. I do not buy just new clothes or anything like that. Most of my clothes are secondhand and I do get them from the thrift store. So I will link that above if you guys want to see my full capsule wardrobe. And then I have like 4 or 5 styling videos already on my channel. I have some what I wear in the week videos, and I have some lookbooks, so you guys can go on my channel and check it out. I have a playlist for my capsule wardrobe styling videos, so you guys can check that out. How many times am I going to say check that out? I don't know. I'm sorry. But without further ado, let's just get into today's video. picking out my outfits for the week is to check the weather. So currently, let's see. So the weather tomorrow in Birmingham. So Monday is going to be partly cloudy with 71 degrees. Tuesday is going to be raining, the high of 69. Wednesday, thunderstorm and high of 68. Thursday, thunderstorm, high of 63. And Friday, partly sunny, high of 53. Do you see how we went from 71 to 53 in Birmingham? This is the tomfoolery that I have to deal with Alabama weather, okay? So since it's going to be a high of 71 on Monday, what we're going to go ahead to do is pick out something that is cool enough for Monday, okay? Cool enough for Monday that we won't get too hot, but stay warm enough, because like I told you at my job, they don't know the difference between summer or winter. They basically have the same temperature all year round, and they full of shit. But it's neither here nor there. So I am going to wear this like really lightweight polka dot shirt. If I say it's not thrifted, everything I show you is thrifted, okay? I'll tell you whether or not, I'll tell you if it's not thrifted versus what everything is, because 95 to 97% of my closet is thrifted, okay? This is by Who What Wear, which is the Target brand. It's an extra large. I like it to be oversized, and it is a polka dot shirt, and I am going to wear this no name pleated skirt that I don't have for years with it. Looks like this, just a pleated skirt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the skirt, oh well, I can't, I usually have like one of those things in there, so I'm just going to take it and drape it over like this, and then I have this little hook right here, and I'll just sit on that little hook for now, and I'll put these pants up because they're not supposed to be there. All right, so then Tuesday is supposed to be raining. So for rainy weather, I like to be comfy, cozy. I don't really dress to be cute. I dress to not get wet, okay? Okay? So I know for a fact if it's going to be raining on Tuesday, so I'm going to go for probably this black turtleneck right here. All right, so we're going to wear these black bottoms with it. So black turtle, black bottoms. And then I am going to put on top of it, because I want to be cozy, my like brownish cardigan situation. This is definitely nice and cozy for rainy days. Super, super cute. My Vince Camuto boots that you guys have seen on repeat forever. So that's what I'm going to wear with that outfit on Tuesday. And on Monday, when it's kind of warm, I think I'm going to wear my little booties like this with that polka dot outfit in that skirt. I think these will be really, really cute, and it'll go really good with that. So I'll wear that on Monday, the brown boots on Tuesday. So let's look at Wednesday. Wednesday, haven't worn this in a while. My new day. I did buy this from Target. I'm sorry, those two items, the black turtleneck and the black pants, were from the thrift store, but this cardigan is actually from Forever 21. I did actually buy it. I did actually buy this also, and it is from Target. It is from Target. So I'm going to wear this Target shirt, and I'm probably going to wear the same Vince Camuto boots because they go with them very, very well. And then we need to find a pair of pants. This is what I will wear with it. These brown pants with it. And then, because they're going to be acting a fool at work and probably have the AC on, I am going to wear like my brownish, like faux velvet blazer. So all brown nude look. And then, you know, I say that these are going to be worn on a specific day, but if I wake up and decide to wear one thing versus the other, it is what it is. I just do what I want to do. So on Thursday, can we get away with, I always try to figure out what I can get away with at work too, because, you know, can't always get away with everything. Put this one back. So gray pants, white button down. And I'm just going to wear my oversized blazer. Every time I wear it to work, they laugh at me, but I don't care because it's super oversized. And they think it's funny. But I think I'm going to wear this with it. Don't know how that's going to go. We're going to try it on Monday, on Thursday. And if it don't work out, it just don't turn out. But this is the blazer. It's actually super oversized, but I like it. What size is this? I don't even know. It don't even have tag. But I have to wear a long sleeve with this because this is wool, like straight up wool. And baby, it will itch you to death. So that is Thursday, Friday, okay? And then Fridays we get to wear jeans. We get to wear jeans on Friday. And y'all know I most likely wear a black pair of jeans because we can wear black or gray. We can't wear any blue jeans to work whatsoever. But I feel like Friday is going to be a look. Let's see what we can find on Friday. I feel like I want to wear this green sweatshirt because Friday gonna be cold. It's gonna be 51. This off blackish type of blazer with gold buttons. See how that looks? See that? That's a look. I've actually worn this sweatshirt with this blazer before with some blue jeans and my combat boots, which is exactly what I come on next. Yes, on Friday to work, I'm wearing combat boots. I don't care. Combat boots it is. Oh, and on Thursday's look, I'm going to wear my gray boots, but they're not in here. They're out there by the door. So I am wearing this together with my black Bershka jeans. And that is how I determine what I'm wearing for the week. And then what I also like to do is anything that can be paired together, I take them off the hangers and I'll put the shirt inside of the blazer. So I'll know what I was wearing. So you see how that's going to be a look on Friday. They like it, they love it, they don't. I could care less. So we're going to take this off the hanger. And see, this can stay on the hanger. I'm going to take the white button down off the hanger. It's just easier that way, just to have everything together. What in the world? Alright you guys, so this is what my rack will look like on Sundays after I pick out what I'm going to wear for the week. So these are all of the shoes that I plan on wearing this week, along with all of the outfits condensed together. You know, you can space them out, make it look cute or whatever, but basically that is my looks for next week. So that is how I plan out my outfit. Right now I am currently in my kitchen and I'm about to meal prep, but the first thing I need to do is clean this kitchen up, because as you can see, it is not in its best shape or condition to do any type of cooking whatsoever. So I do need to wash some dishes and put some things up before I meal prep. So I'm going to do that right quick. Sunday, I don't really have too much to meal prep because I didn't really go to the store, because sometimes every couple of months I try to use up everything in my freezer that I have not used so that I won't waste food. So I know for a simple fact that my sides next week will be Brussels sprouts and more fish, and I think that's gonna be it. So fish and and then I have one can of soup. So this week gonna be like a Mod Podge of odd stuff. I might even make me, I don't even have enough stuff to make a salad. I only have lettuce, spinach, and onions. I don't even have like no tomatoes or anything. I got some bacon bits and some croutons though. Be a dry ass salad. But yeah, so I'm just gonna wash these dishes, prep up this meat and stuff. And like I said, if you want to see my meal prep video, I will link it, or it's already linked somewhere in the eye above, and then y'all can check that out. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the kitchen and get everything cleaned up. Alright you guys, so I am finished cleaning up. So one of the things I like to do on Sunday is clean up for the week. So you go into the week with a nice clean house, and a clean kitchen and a clean living space, and I find that it really helps you out during the week. You know, stuff is where it's supposed to be, everything is clean if you need to cook or whatever the case may be. So I am about to go ahead and finish up my meal prep. I'll come back and show you guys that. And then that basically will be the end of my Sunday routine. I do 3 basic things: wash clothes, put them up, pick out my outfits, meal prep, and clean. That is my Sunday routine. And I usually start that routine about 3 or 4 o'clock-ish. So yeah, so let me go ahead and meal prep my fish with my Brussels sprouts. And then alright you guys, so this is my meal prep, my fish, and I have Brussels sprouts with corn, and this will be my meal for 3 days, and then the other 2 days I am going to have soup. So that is my Sunday meal prep. Alright you guys, so my meal prepping is done. I am basically finished with my Sunday routine now, and it's currently only 6 o'clock. So I like to be finished with my Sunday routine super early, so I have the rest of the night to chill and do what I want to do. For instance, me and my daughter are about to watch a movie and eat pizza for dinner. I've already did all of my laundry, cleaned up the house, got my clothes ready for next week, and I finished my meal prep. And so that's basically how I do my Sunday routine. So if you guys like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.